the devil instead of God. So the devil now got the authority that Adam had to rule the world. Right? And because the devil is the father of evil and all deceit and lies, he had control over man to cause man to continue to do evil. But God did not leave man to demise. He sent a savior. Before Jesus even came, he sent prophets to show man the way back to him, and then just to hold things down and to keep people safe until Jesus could come. Right? But now the prophets now would teach and preach